Ron Atchison for AutoForge.net, and today I've got my good friend Yvan LaCroix in the shop, and Yvan is going to demonstrate just how effective DIY water spot remover is. We've got this Jeep that is a rental vehicle. It's been run through the car wash numerous times, never ever dried off, and you can see this black glass is just covered in water spots. So Yvan, if you'd like to go ahead and...
Yeah. So water spot remover is a mild acid, but it's not going to etch windows. So it's safe to use on the windows, on the body, everywhere else. And if you have a ceramic coated car and you live up north, at the end of the winter, the bottom of your panels are not reacting as well as they used to. The beading's not there anymore. After you're done washing, put a bit of this on, let it sit for a few minutes, rinse it off, your beading will be back. But in this case, we have water spots on the windows, so let's get in a little closer and take a look.
So the water spot remover is safe on all exterior...
All exterior surfaces.
Okay, great. All right.
Yeah.
Well, let me get out of the way here, and I'll let you get to it.
First thing, we're going to apply it to the window. We're going to let it sit for a few seconds. Let the chemical work for you. And I'm just going to mop up anything that rolls off the window here. And once it's sat, 30 seconds, maybe a minute, then we want to take a nice microfiber towel and simply wipe away the water spots. Now on glass, they're actually relatively easy to remove. On paint, what we're doing is removing the minerals that cause the water spots. But on paint, what can happen is the minerals can actually be in the surface and actually cause etching. It's not going to etch into glass deeply, so it comes off rather easily. On the body, we can also see a bit of water spotting here, so we'll just give it a little shot. Again, letting it sit for a few seconds, and then bit of agitation. Flip to a dry side of the towel, dry it off, and there we have it. Now ideally, you're going to put protection on the surface afterwards. Use the protection of your choice. A ceramic spray like ceramic gloss does a great job, and then you're going to be protected from future water spots. Not going to be 100% protection, but it's going to help.
So we hope you found the video informative. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to learn any more information on DIY products, please visit AutoForge.net. This is Ron Atchison for my good friend Yvan LaCroix. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.